guys, how are you? I'm fine, and you? I hope you all are fine. Today I will show you mm, today I will show you loan calculator. So let's go. Loan calculator. Loan calculator. Yes. Loan calculator. I click here. Calculator.net. Loan calculator. Loan calculator. A loan is contact between browser and lender, in which the browser receives an amount of money, principal money, that they are obligated to pay back in the future. Most loans can be categorized into one of three categories: amortized loan, fixed payment paid purely until loan mutually. Number 2, deferred payment loan, single lump sum paid at loan mutually. Third, board permitted lump sum paid at loan mutually, the face or par value of bond.